Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you a machine just came in. This came in from a school and they barely use this machine. Everything's original paint. You can see how nice it is. Super clean. This is actually a Gap Bed lathe. It's a 14 by 40. You have 14 inch by 40 over the centers. Distance between centers, you have your foot brake. We've got a faceplate right here. This is what's going to be great for you pulling out that gap and putting on some oblong pieces. Got some tool posts that come with the tool post. Quick tool changer right here. Steady rest, follow rest, light, nice DRO. Everything's working really well. And it's got an RPM meter right here, which you change your speed right here. So you've got multiple speed ranges right here. Once they're in range, you just use this simple pedometer to get to the speed you want. You can see it's running really, really nice. You've also got a taper attachment on this machine. This is pretty much every option you could put on this. It's a 3-phase machine, 220. A lot of people would use this in a smaller shop, maintenance shop. You can even find converters to be able to use this in home use. The 1440 is just a little bit past that 1340, which is more of the home shop. So once you go past that 1340, you're going to be more of an industrial type machine, and this is definitely one of them. So this is the sharp machine. You can see right now we have our feeding screw moving. We're going to go ahead and just show you engagement here. We've got our longitudinal feed. And we'll bring it down. Got our cross feed. Foot brake. You can see it's a great running machine, very, very quiet. If this is the type of lathe you're looking for, we have so many different types of lathes. Let's just show you a few just so you can see what's in. Here's a Kingston, this is a really nice heavy duty import, a 26 by 60. There's a wash-on that's an import that's going to be closer to a Morisiki. You can see there's a lot of lathes here on our showroom floor. You got to let us know what type of machine you're looking for, what type of bore, what type of tools. There's so many different types of things that we need to make sure we get the right machine for you. You can see we even have these guys right over here. Here's some of the most precise machines we have. These are hardened, which are very, very accurate, up to 50 millionths out of the factory. Really depends on the machine you're looking for. These tiny guys can get all the way up to 100 grand. Depending on some of these other machines, they could be down to 3-4 grand. So you never know what you're gonna get. Here's a nice antique, just so you can see this is how they all started. Good old Atlas. We have a little of everything here. We wanna make sure you know exactly what we have. You can see we have lots of machines in stock. We work on everything. You'll get a guarantee with your machinery. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.